nice. Okay, just got a service done, North Star Yamaha. It's a 20,000 kilometer service. Oh. So the bike should be very happy now. Ah, it feels nice. New front tire. Because my front tire was old and shit, pretty much. So it must not gone around too many corners. Yeah, they did heaps of stuff, spark plugs and all this sort of shit. Oh, they adjusted the brakes and stuff. It's very, very nice now. Pretty much 900 bucks. $550 of it was labour, the rest was parts. I guess I did expect it to be a fair bit. But 900 bucks, god damn it! Should have just done it myself. Too much of a slack ass. So no man, I won't pay a couple of bucks and just plug my own tyre. I'll pay someone else to do it. Oh, I'll get a major service at the same time, why not? Oh, my mirrors are like facing the ground. This noob. It's making some noise. Man, this mirror is really bad. There we go. I'm a bit sketchy about having a new front tyre. Like, I've never worn in a tyre from new. So yeah, any tips? Fucking go for it. Still sick. Very much ever been sick. Oh, front brakes are so much more touchy now. So good, you can actually use two fingers and it, like, it's fine. That rear brakes I haven't even tried. Oh, so touchy. By the way, I've never had an issue with this bike ever, except for the rear tyre getting a nail in it. So if it all goes to shit now, it's because of these suspects. I don't expect it to go to shit though. Come on motherfuckers, it's green. It's been green for like how long? Yeah, let's all fucking swap lanes because we're all a bunch of cockspanks. Yeah, I'm gonna do it as well, fuck it. I should say split A. Might as well fucking never get through this shit. Oh, what a dick.